This is Realty, and I'll be showing you the property at 130 Wornall Drive in Sanford. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-car garage, single family home. As we enter into the home, you'll have 2 of the guest bedrooms. And guest bathroom. Open living room and dining room. A master room with the bathroom and the closet. Thank you for viewing the property at 130 Wornall Drive in Sanford, Florida. This video was brought to you by Realty.